speedography, volume second, exercise second, speed 100 word per minute, start. Sir, the figures indicate that the core sector is in a very poor state of health. We don't wish that to remain there, but Honorable Finance Minister, these are the realities and you are aware of that. What does it mean? Jobs are not being created. It is not surging economy. It is still a recovering and a struggling economy. This was there in the President's address. The Prime Minister said that it is for the first time that so much of resources have been given to the states, and the government has accepted the recommendations of the Finance Commission. That is the first point I want to make. Para. Sir, what was being done earlier? There were 13 Finance Commissions. It is the constitutional mandate of the Finance Commission. When the Constitution was adopted after freedom, it was clear that under Article 240, which you know more, the Finance Commission has to be established. The 14th Finance Commission was constituted when the UPA government was in office. What is the constitutional mandate? It is not your option what you do with that, but to say and to make this claim that for the first time, so much for devaluation of taxes of funds is being made to the states is a mirage. Para. What have you done is very clear. Sir, I want to inform this House that the funds which are committed, the tied funds, and there are funds which are untied, that is the state share of taxes, you have reduced the committed funds, the tied funds, and increased the state's share 18%. You have reduced the committed funds 14% state share of taxes for devaluation. The Prime Minister has said we don't have the money. The center doesn't have money, but still we are doing so much. Can you deny that the center's share remained at 38% uncharged? There is no change. Para. I will elaborate further on that. You claim that the center has lost the money. I would like to say how earlier the Finance Commission recommendations were made. The devaluation was based on transfer of funds. Devaluation was on state share of taxes plus grant in ads. Now with this Finance Commission's recommendations, we have removed this combination that is reflected. You have reduced the planned outlay of the states in this year's budget.